What is up, my fellow YouTubers? Hey, so today I'm going to install the Midland MXT275 into my Subaru Outback Wilderness, which, here she sits. This seemed to become a question over the internet because nobody seems to have a video regarding an install for a GMRS radio in an Outback. Modern Outback, I should say. So pick this up. Price is pretty much standard across the board. You're looking at $165 on Midland.com. I picked this up at Cabela's Bass Pro. Went to my local ham shop, picked up this antenna mount, the diamond antenna. This does come with an antenna, however, it's a very, very small one, and I went ahead and ordered the Midland Ghost antenna, which has a plus 3 dB gain on it, and it's about a 3-inch stubby that works a little bit better. And then to do a little bit of a fish with the microphone, I'm doing a 3-foot patch cable and using just a connector to attach it to the radio. So without further ado, let's get into the install. Now, I'm not doing an unboxing or review. There's plenty of YouTube videos out there on this radio. Plenty of the overland channels have shown the unboxing, the reviews, the use. I'm simply going to be showing the basic install in a 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness. For the antenna mount, I went with the diamond hood mount, so it's going to clamp onto the hood, no drill. Clamps on the bottom there. Removed this fascia here. Antenna wire cuts through there and pops out right there. Crosses the molding. More down inside. I'm going to cross it under here. I got the truck mat, so I'll just probably go under or route it up in there, cross back over this way. To mount the radio, what I'm going to do is we Velcro it to there. Got plenty of room up in there. And that's on the passenger floorboard. Alright, for power, I'm plugged into the 12-volt plug there, ran it behind, and dropped the wire behind here. So that seems to work fairly well. We'll give it a shot. Alright, so this plate came off. That gives you access underneath the glove box. Radio installed right there. It's a nice big spot for it with Velcro. Microphone cuts across with the fish tape to the other side. Power is ran right here behind the glove box and then back into the radio there. Put this plate on and we'll finish it up. Okay, that wraps it up. Plate's back on. No sign of the radio. Wire cuts through there to the diamond mount. You can see where the mic goes through at. It's a gas pedal brake. Right up through there. Up through here. I'm probably going to add a microphone hanger somewhere around here. And no, that cord's not in the way. I can't even touch it with my foot, in case you're wondering. Okay, now let's do the first turn on and see if we hooked everything up right. Hey, what do you know? We got radio. Now obviously I can't transmit right now as I do not have a antenna. So that's gonna go right over there. We'll figure that out. All right, so I changed it up a bit. I added a inline Ethernet cord coupler and a 3-foot Ethernet patch cord to pass from here across here to kind of get this. This is super tight. I'm sure over time it's going to stretch, so I prefer this cord come from here back down this way, so I can mount it here, and then the cord will be wrapped in this area and shouldn't have any issue with the airbags there. I used a 3-foot Ethernet patch cable to go underneath the console, routed it underneath the truck mats. Back there, just used a simple RJ45 female, plugged the mic into there, and then hung it up right there. And that completes the install.